Another one. Me I did with laugh. Look here, another one. Some of me I eat, trust me, nice until corned beef with baked bean. Nice, but guess what? This is my way. Actually, thumbs up Nara, big up yourself because you kinda give me a little hint about the ketchup burning and all this stuff. So here we guys, it's the bam. Yummy bad. Mm-mm.
Oh my.
Yes guys, so here I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal and a half teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna combine them together, the cornmeal, the salt and the flour, mixing it together evenly to make my dumpling for my corned beef and my corned beef with baked bean. Very nice guys, but I have a little twist to it and you guys have to watch the video to see how I do it in a different way. Okay, so yes guys, here I have my pot and I'm adding some water in it and I'm gonna bring it to boiling, and then when it starts to boil, that is the time I'm gonna put in my dumpling. So right now me I add some water and I'm gonna add some salt again. Not again, I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add some salt to the water because I already had add salt to my flour that I need. So now I'm gonna add some salt to the water. So here I have like a teaspoon of salt. That's good enough. Because we don't want too much salt. I'll half teaspoon even better too. Because this not like a 1 teaspoon at all. It's like a more half teaspoon. So I'm going to bring it to boiling now. Leave it, make it boil. Yes guys, so here I'm adding my flour in the pot. We call it dumpling. So I'm adding my last 2. So I'm gonna use a fork and stir it so the dumpling them won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay. And after I finish stirring it and then moving around evenly, I'm gonna just half cover the pot so it won't boil over on the stove. So yes guys, here I went ahead and add some oil in my pot. I already hot my pot, so my pot hot pan fire. So hot my oil. Yes, my oil is hot. So I'm gonna add my seasoning, which is my onion, my green pepper, sweet bell pepper that is, my thyme, red bell pepper, otherwise known as sweet pepper, here I have some garlic, some more bell pepper, this is scallion though, and then bell pepper, and then I have a pinch of pepper. So I'm gonna saute these in the oil to get the flavor, extract the flavor from these nice seasoning, right? Yes guys, so I'm preparing my corned beef and baked bean recipe here. So now I'm gonna add some ketchup to the pot. Look on this now. I saw this. This is the bomb right here. This is the thing. You stir on your carrot ketchup in an island thing, and trust me, if you guys should ever try this dish, please remember to give me a feedback and let me know how it goes. Right, so I'm stirring in my ketchup, and stir everything and stir, just for a little while, like 1-2 minutes, not too so long, but 1 minute. Just saute really, and then I'm gonna add my corned beef. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my corned beef. If you notice, guys, I'm not using no powder season, all of that, because the corned beef already have its salt already. So, and the seasoning, the natural seasoning, the scallion, the sweet pepper, the thyme, and the garlic, they all have their flavors. So I don't need nothing more than what I put in here. So yes, guys, now I'm gonna add 1 cup of sweet baked bean to my corned beef right here, and just mix it in together. Yep, smells so delicious. I know some people probably couldn't know this dish, but trust me, a lot of people don't know they could burn the ketchup and add it stuff in it. Tastes so good, yummy. Yummy. Yes, guys.